Morning, friends. Today I thought of making a small video of connecting your old TV to a new music system for the benefit of people like me who actually didn't know, who's not that tech savvy. So I saw many internet videos on how to connect a new music system. This is a Sony HTRT3. I hope you can make it out. HTRT3, which I got through Amazon. It's a soundbar system with a woofer, two speakers here and there, and I have a Sony TV which is almost 11 years old. It is a EX300 Bravia, Sony Bravia. So I want to tell you, friends, I'll just keep it short and simple, that before you buy anything of this sort, music system, this almost was as worth like almost 18,000. So since I got it through Amazon, so before you buy these kind of systems, you should know what you have got in your hand. So that homework you need to do, otherwise you will end up spending money like me, and later on you need to, yes, I admit that there are a lot of gadgets and adapters and systems that is available in the market to connect latest things with old gadgets. So one such thing that I got from Amazon that I'll show it to you today. So what the actual problem was, now the Sony Bravia TV has these three sockets, one for the computer, and one HDMI here and one HDMI here. Okay, other than that there is a USB port, and there is a aux in port. This doesn't have a SPDIF or that optical port. This TV is old, that's why it doesn't have. The latest TVs all have an optical fiber, which looks like somewhat like this. Like if you see here, that one which is there, optical, if you can make out, if you can read it, I'm sorry, I'm doing it with my phone, as an optical port. So I try to connect my Tata Sky HD box. So this was connected through a HDMI cable to my TV, but how will I connect it with my sound system? So for that I checked online and I found this. Now this is, I'll just remove and show to you. This is a thing that I found in Amazon. See, it's Amazon Basics. This is two male and a female plug. This one. So if you, any one of you is having a old TV and a setup box plus a new sound system which you have purchased recently, see, the problem with these sound systems are, these are all new gen, and if you see here, there is a aux in which analog which they have given. Other than that, there is a HDMI one, and then there is a SPDIF from the TV, not from the setup box. So when you try to connect optical fiber from setup box to that, it won't work. I don't know about others systems, but then Sony HDRT3 doesn't have that kind of function. So I got this for 500 rupees from Amazon. Before that I bought a optical cable and I tried to connect it to this, but it didn't work. So basically, friends, if you have a system almost similar to mine, this is the first of Sony Bravia, that the flat TV that one gets in the market. I bought it in 2009. So if you have some TV like this, you don't have to buy a new TV now just to connect this sound system. All right, it sounds ridiculous, but then, so you buy something of this sort, that is a two male and connected to a 3.5 jack. Okay, So with this, it works in beautiful manner. I would. Okay, now I have done the settings. That means I have connected those leads into the music system, as well as you can see that that is the jack, and this is the two male plugs. You need to connect it as per that red and white which you see there. So now the system is on, and now you switch on with the TV as well as the setup box. Thereafter, once the TV comes on, you go to the tools in the TV's remote, go to speaker, and then you select that audio. I'll show once again. Go to speaker, instead of TV, select the audio system. Okay, and thereafter switch on your audio. So now this is playing. This is playing in your sound system. Okay. Sorry guys, this might be a bit of drag because this is my first video on YouTube, so kindly bear with me. Thank you so much.